Text messaging is usually banned from the classroom, but there's one lecturer who's encouraging it. He's developed a new way of using mobile phone texting to help student learning. The service allows students to buy access to bite-sized study notes and video footage. Selena Taron tried it out.
A couple of years ago, I actually gave my students traditional flashcards on paper, and as they were leaving the lecture theatre, they started putting them in the rubbish tin, and I queried why. And they said, well, this is great, but it's not cool to use these at the bus stop. People think I'm a student, people think I'm a nerd. So I thought, well, why not deliver it on their cell phone? And they took that idea instantly. It was really popular.
The study and video texts are being trialled by 8 universities across the North Island, and they've been a hit. So much so that for the first time in New Zealand, they'll be tested on secondary school students from Trident High in Whakatane next week.
It's making use of their spare time. It's giving them the opportunity to use a tool that they're familiar with to enhance their learning.
And the learning doesn't end in the classroom.
You can be sitting in the middle of a paddock and just want to have a learn, so you get out your cell phone, you text a message, they send a message back to you, and you can save that on your phone and look at it whenever you want.
The technology is aimed at helping students who find traditional study difficult.
But we're finding students who are maybe a bit more marginalised by education. We're trying to deliver content in a medium that they're totally conversant with and familiar with.
So if you think this new technology could be a good way of cheating on exams, think again. Cell phone detectors are being used in some classrooms to stop texting cheaters. 2 students at Otago University were recently caught by it. Selena Taron, 3 News.